Hey Wendy, I can absolutely help you with this one. Let me grab a screenshot of it and we'll see what's up. So we got to get n by itself. Now the first thing I always do whenever I have this type of fractiony deal is I just want to eliminate the fraction. And the easiest way to do that is to multiply both sides by whatever this fraction is. So let me just write it a little bit bigger so you can see. We're starting with b equals 8w over n plus 8t. And we want to get n by itself. So it's sometimes a good idea just to highlight that so we keep track of it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply both sides by n plus 8t. And I'll do the same over here, n plus 8t. Now the reason why I'm doing this is just to kill the fraction. Even though the variable we want is down here, it doesn't matter. It's going to have to come up eventually anyway. So always just kill the fractions. Don't even worry about what variable you're after. Here on the right, this is going to cancel, right? Anything divided by itself is gone. On the left, we have b bracket n plus 8t. Looks complicated, but I'm just literally writing it as it is, and that equals 8w. So there's our first step. And now we're going to go after our n. Now we can see here, again, another bit of a problem that our n is inside a bracket. So what we're going to have to do now, pardon me, is we're going to have to do order of operations, and we're going to have to distribute or multiply both these terms by b. That's going to give us bn plus 8bt equal to 8w. Okay, so again, I'm just listing these. The order doesn't really matter. In general, we put the most alphanumeric first, so like B comes before N in the alphabet. That's why I'm listing B first. But again, it's kind of, you don't need to do that really. Next, we have two terms. My first term is Bn. My second term is 8bt. Terms are numbers or groups of numbers separated from one another by a plus or a minus sign. So that tells me right here I have one term, then I have another term. To get rid of this 8bt, which we don't have any interest in, remember we're going after n, I'm just going to subtract both sides by 8bt, and I'll do the same over here, bt. So this is gone, we're left with bn is going to equal 8w minus 8bt. Now again, you might be tempted to kind of go after these 8s. 8 take away 8 is going to be 0, but let's hold off on that because these are entirely different terms, right? We had different variables, so we can't very well do all that yet. I'm just going to make some more room. Hopefully that's okay. All right, now we're after n, so our final step, let's divide both sides by b, like so, and that's gone away. So our final answer here is n equal to 8w minus 8bt over b. Okay, now again, because we're subtracting here, you might be tempted to kind of rip away and cancel some b's and do all this stuff, but these are unlike terms, right? There's something else that we could do. We could factor out the 8 from both sides, but that's a little bit more of an advanced technique for sure. So I believe that's probably as far as we can go at this moment. What are your thoughts? Does that help? Let me know if it doesn't. Thanks.